checking my mirrors, making sure it's safe. It is a 30 road, but be extra careful.
Yards, turn right,
it does get a little tight.
At the end of the road, turn left.
So we're turning right, check your middle
Turn
and right mirror,
Aitchison
signal
Court.
right.
Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
So Aitchison Court is where they
Turn
come
left,
and stop
Then, you have reached your destination on your right.
after the test. So I'm just going past these cars, going down here. This is where they'll park up the left. If you see the white car on the left, that's where they make you park up if there's no space there.
You have reached your destination, Aitchison Court.
You'll come down
It
here
is
towards the
on your
left, and then they'll make you park up on the right in one of the bays. They might say to you, just park up into the bay. Do not worry if you're over the white line, you're not doing a maneuver. So I'm not going to worry. I'm going to go straight and park up on top of this white line. It's absolutely fine if they say that to you.